two areas that AL has really shifted for me or has allowed me to grow in is both the academic area as well as a personal area. For academics, it really showed me that, first of all, how much I can actually do. I mean, high school for me wasn't exactly the most easiest academic space, but being an AL has really helped me to thrive and to understand my personal potential, and it's really made a difference for me. The actual academic program itself has also really been enjoyable for me. The hands-on experiences, being me, I'm not a very behind a desk type of person, so being able to work outside, having hands-on practicals has really made this experience amazing, absolutely amazing for me, and it's really helped me in that area of academics as well. From a personal growth point of view, being SRC chair has really taught me a lot about different types of leadership skills and allow me to grow in that area. It's not always easy, but seeing the challenges as more of an opportunity, as a growth opportunity, than a challenge and a down-putting scenario in itself. That has taught me a lot about my personal growth, my personal strengths, my personal limits, boundaries, all of those types of things.